Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are in class 11th subject history and in theme 7th or chapter 7th. Yesterday we have discussed the meaning and the causes of Renaissance. Today we will discuss the beginning of modern age. As you know, the modern age starts from 15th century onwards, and from 5th to 14th century there was the Middle Age, and the modern age is the age of science, age of development, humanism, cultural change throughout world, especially in Europe. The beginning of modern age starts with the beginning of humanism. Humanism was one of the movement that started in Italy in 14th century. Italian universities were centers of legal studies. यानी अगर हम बात करेंगे तो जो इटली जो था that was the center of Renaissance, that was the center of development, that was the center of humanism, and the universities were the centers of humanism or the human sciences. Italy was not only the center of development, but it was the center of development. It was the center of legal studies rather, and trading centers also. Francois Frederick is known as the father of Francisco Patrick was known as the father of humanism. इंसानियत के जो बाबा व आदम जो तस्वर किए जाते थे, his name was Franco Patrick. He was known as the father of humanism. He suggested a shift from the study of law to the ancient Rome, culture and texts. The term humanism was first used by Roman lawyer and essayist Cicero. यानी जो ह्यूमनिज़म जो था, ह्यूमनिज़म का सब्जेक्ट जो था, लीगल टर्म्स जो साइंस ऑफ लॉ और कानून के हवाले से जो पढ़ा जाता था, ह्यूमनिज़म के हवाले से जो पढ़ा जाता था, especially from the European continent started or from the Italy, and Italy was the center of not only the humanism but the legal studies. And the true civilization, it was known also, the humanism was taught that they were restoring the true civilization after centuries of darkness. क्योंकि जो पीरियड जो गुजरा है, especially जो इस्लामिक वर्ल्ड जो था, that period was considered by the Europeans as the dark age, क्योंकि उस वक़्त क्रिश्चियनिटी ज़वाल में थी, क्रूसेड्स हो रहे थे पूरे यूरोप में, इस्लाम और क्रिश्चियनिटी के दरमियान जंग जदल जारी था, एंड द पीरियड ऑफ जो इस्लामिक दुनिया का जो उरूज था वो यूरोपियंस के लिए दैट पीरियड वाज नोन एज द डार्क एज. तो ये तो अब दे बिलीव दैट a dark age had set and after the collapse of the Roman Empire, क्योंकि रोमन एम्पायर का ज़वाल के साथ ही डार्क एज का अख्ताम भी होता है और अब ह्यूमनिज़म की शुरुआत होती है, अब मॉडर्न एज की शुरुआत होती है, डेवलपमेंट की शुरुआत होती है, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी की शुरुआत होती है, नो हाउ की शुरुआत होती है, हाउ एंड व्हेन जो क्वेश्चनिंग रीजनिंग के हवाले से जो अब शुरुआत होती है, दैट पीरियड वाज नोन एज द मॉडर्न एज, दैट वाज नोन एज द developmental age or the age of science, age of culture, age of humanism. And the dark age was ending. The period from the 5th to 14th century was the middle age, and the modern age started from the 15th century onwards. यानी चौथी सदी से 14वीं सदी तक, 5वीं सदी से लेकर 14वीं सदी तक जो पीरियड रहा है, दैट वाज द इस्लामिक पीरियड. उसमें इस्लाम का बोलबाला था, तो ये यूरोपियंस के लिए डार्क एज था. एंड दैट वाज नोन एज द मिडल एज. एंड फ्राम 15th century onwards they treated the age or the period as the modern age. एंड यही इस्लामिक दुनिया के लिए ज़वाल की शुरुआत थी. रोमन एज की, रोमन एम्पायर का ज़वाल भी था. तो ये दिस वाज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ मॉडर्न एज. ह्यूमनिस्टिक आर्ट इन 15th century, Florence was recognized for its prominent Renaissance men. Dante Alighieri, 1265 to 1321, and an eminent poet and a philosopher of Italy who wrote a religious theme. He is known for his classic The Divine Comedy of Guido, 1267 to 1337, an artist who painted lifelike portraits, very different form of stiff figures done by the earlier artists. From then it developed as the most exciting intellectual city in Italy, and as a center of artistic creativity. Now the age starts not only the modern age, the age of science, the age of development, but it was the age or the development in all the subjects, all the fields, walks of life. Rather, इसमें बहुत से हर एक फिलोसफर का, कॉमेडियन का, साइंटिस्ट का, राइटर का, पोइट का उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, especially in the field of humanism, in the field of literature. Humanistic literature, humanities streams. By the early 15th century, the term humanist was used for the masters who taught grammar, rhetoric, poetry, history, moral philosophy. The Latin word humanitas, from which humanities was derived, had been used many centuries ago to mean culture. These subjects were not drawn from other content connected with the religion, and emphasized skills development by the individuals through discussions and debates. Giovanni Boccaccio was the greatest writer and humanist who wrote the Decameron. The universities of Padua and the Bologna had been centers of legal studies. Different writers have write down their books, their contributions in the field of grammar, in the field of literature. They are the skilled persons, they are the comedians. Humanists reached out and people in a variety of ways, though the curricula in universities continued to be dominated by law, medicine, and theology. Humanist subjects slowly began to be introduced in the schools, not just in Italy but in other European countries as well. यानी अब जो ह्यूमनिज़म का जो सब्जेक्ट था, जो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लॉ के साथ साथ जो मुख्तलिफ सब्जेक्ट जो मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ाए जाते थे, those subjects were write down by the scholars for the universities as a curriculum. तो ये स्पेशली थियोलॉजी भी, ह्यूमनिज़म भी, लॉ भी और सब्जेक्ट एंड मेडिसिन भी, ये सब्जेक्ट्स जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ाए जाते थे. The revival of Italian cities, Western Europe was began reshaped by the feudal bonds and unified under the Latin Church and Eastern Europe under the Byzantine Empire, and Islam was creating a common civilization. Further west, Italy was weakened and the fragments. अब जो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस्लाम एक कल्चर के रूप में एक मज़हब ही नहीं बल्कि एक कल्चर के रूप में उभरता जा रहा था, और जो इटली जो थी वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता अब फ्रेगमेंट्स में अब डिवाइड होने लगी. द पोर्ट्स ऑफ द इटालियन कोस्ट्स वर रिवाइव्ड फ्रॉम द 14th to the end of the 17th century. Towns were growing many countries of Europe. A distinct urban culture also developed. Florence, France, and Rome became the centers of art, learning. The inventions of printing at the same time made books and prints available to many people. A sense of history also developed in Europe. Religion came to be seen as something which each individual should choose for himself. The church beliefs was overturned by the scientists. Refer to the map page 153. यानी जो डार्क एज में जो चर्च का जो रोल था, स्पेशली जो चर्च के जो प्रॉब्लम्स जो थी, अब इससे जो रिलीजन जो था, रिलीजन को आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इंसान के हवाले से इंडिविजुअल शुड चूज़ फॉर हिमसेल्फ, जो उसके हवाले से जो उसको बिलीफ जो है, रिलीजन जो है, ही शुड चूज़ हिमसेल्फ. अब उस पर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं दी जाती थी. थैंक यू.